Yeah, we've been waiting for him really to... And I think...
And not just doble kayod, you know, yung makikita mo yung mga big men itong San Juan Knights, they're not just big. They need to take advantage of this because later on, pag nag-adjust na in terms of personnel, itong San Juan, nailagay na yung kanilang...
Yeah.
Baka maging mahirapan na sila with this defense.
And Calisaan, same spot, same result.
Ang importante sa Del pag ganyang malalim yung lineup ng team nyo.
Jair Kenyahan pulls the trigger, gets the shooter's bounce. Valenzuela, here's Galinato. Zach Wong, binigay kay Calisaan. And Mike Calisaan. Wamar at the controls. Wamar lumapit. Calisaan stays perfect. To have everyone in uniform, doon pa nawala yung iba nilang players dito, but
kasi hindi mo sila may mga ganyan sitwasyon kasi sila, meron kang mga players na minsan na may miss out because
so naman si Zach Wong inside. De La Cruz, the kick out. Martin, 3 is good.
Like that guy, Zach Wong, both player plays with a lot of effort.
Nanadis de Palam puts it in for Gamboa. Nabasa ni Arminion. Payawal comes away with the loose ball. Martin gets it back to Payawal for 2.
Central Tigers.
Galinato. Gamboa. Jumper is good. So, set to enter the game. Wamar misses the 3. Offensive rebound. Soberano. Nothing but net.
Especially off the bench. Recognizing na yung kalaban nakasona si Delp.
And bilis na sagot.
Buong-buo ang loob niyan.
Wamar, it's it to Malonzo, corner. Maikes, nice fake, and he gets the 2 points. Malonzo fires a 3. Yes, sir! Wamar on the drive, the extra pass. Malonzo inside, layup is good.
Yeah, beautiful.
They'll use up the time here. Maikes against Kirsti Chavez. Maikes.
Too easy.
Kaya nga dami mong liga nakikita, may mga 50 up, 40 up. As Kirsti Chavez knocks down the 3. Trazona wins the rebounding battle there. But he gets caught in a double team, and Malonzo will finish. It's never too late, coach.
Never too late.
Good Ladera. Yes. Hugnatan trying to seal Payawal, and Reynel Hugnatan. Malonzo to Taiwan. Soberano is free. Yes.
Na gusto nyo, stays.
Soberano, catch and shoot. AC Soberano. Arminion will drive and lay it in.
Fair play.
Asia Miranda drives and gets the basket to count. Talaga ng lineup Here's De Los Santos. Nem De La Cruz, layup is good. Lead is down to 12. Panganiban on the drive, finishing. 45-31. Asia Miranda. Hugnatan for 3. Yes!
Off the bench.
Kenyahan. Good challenge by Hugnatan, but Kenyahan. Hernandez misses. Panganiban, the extra pass to Manong Reynel Hugnatan. Hugnatan quickly to Hernandez. Hernandez misses, and AJ Miranda with a putback. 9 minutes of action, almost 10 minutes of action. Hugnatan, na no-look pass.
Dagdagan pa.
To Calisaan. Kenyahan. Jumper is good. Miranda to Panganiban. Panganiban. And Trazona and J.R. Kinyahan, who is into double figures already. Kinyahan.
Magkaroon sila ng ganitong kalaking kalamangan sa Del kasi once na mag-ikot na sa bench, hindi nagbabago yung lakas nila.
Oo.
Minus 6 points pa itong San Juan, di ba? Yung point blank layup ni Nico Panganiban, then yung two
J.R. Kinyahan against Gamboa. Manliguez slips.
Good God.
Darrell puts it in. +1. And hindi pwedeng magkamali against the San Juan Knights.
17 points still. Ayan, ito yung pinag-uusapan natin.
Oh, he misses the layup.
Hindi pa pala.
Trazona banks it in for 2. Wamar. Jumper from Orlan. Yes.
And we spoke about that. We talked about it during the pregame. Wamar, ang sakit eh.
Oo. It's not just the points, it's the timing of the points. And CJ Payawal gets the long rebound. Naagaw ni Trazona.
Ayan, ito na yung mga scrappy players ng Valenzuela eh.
Manliguez to Hero. Manliguez. Wala. Lepalam puts it in. Alonso to inbound. Wamar is open. Yes.
See,
1.3 seconds yung natira kanina.
Pasok pa si Del.
Yeah.
It's gonna count.
Finish the layup. 75-60. De La Cruz gets the basket and one. AC goes to Ugnatan. Libre sa ilalim. Kalisan.
Sila pupunta.
Wamar will pull up. Yes. And Orlan Wamar knowing when to take over.
Just when you thought that you're doing the right thing already, then suddenly itong challenge that.
Will attack. Gives it up to Chavez for 3. Valenzuela only down by 10.
Shot clock at 6.
Wamar, no, binigay kay Dexter Marquez. Yes!
That's a big three-pointer.
Dito sa MPBL Tuesday, what a spin move. Darrell Manliguez. Quick response from Valenzuela. CJ Payawal drives, gets the basket. Force things. And good things happened there for him. Zach Wong, yes.
That's big time basket.
Here's Wong. Dire-diretso sa atin ang CJ Payawal.
Yung ganong mga sitwasyon, talagang ayun yung bumuhay sa Valenzuela.
And Orlan Wamar knocks down the 3.
And this San Juan team still protecting home court.
9-0 for the San Juan Knights.